What's up, everybody? It's fellow creator 85 here. I'm in the car right now. I was heading to a homestead because I was gonna go with my godmother, and I just witnessed a retarded driver or dum-dum or accidentally spun over and car broke. There were two kids inside. I just saw it. My godmother went out to look. I'll show you every grab. Outside. Hold on, let me zoom in. You see everybody over there? There were two kids in there. My godmother's over there trying to help, but oh my God, the car spun out, and now everybody's trying to call 911 for rescue. Jesus Christ. You see, kids, wear your seatbelts. If this happens, you're dead. Jesus Christ. Well, that's the end of my short vlog, guys. I was gonna record another one, but real quick, this is an honorable mention. Hold on. I'm a poo-poo, Ollie. His name is Rocco.
We are so glad to see people to try to help people in trouble, okay?
You heard my great-grandmother. Ay, coño. But yeah, there were two kids in there. Tony, Zach, Wolfboy, whatever. Carnell, if you're watching this, wear your seatbelt, bro. Stop honking, you retard. Whatever. Bye-bye.